All right, y'all, we're finally ready to hopefully finish tearing down the ZX6R engine. I got the appropriate socket, stole it from the trailer, but also ordered another one to replace it, so that'll be great. Oh, I don't know where I was going with that, but anyway, yeah, we can continue. Angles and stuff. Ooh, look, a finger. Oh, not that. What? We can. Yeah, something like that. Oh, that's way too far. Good. All right, just check in with you guys here real quick. Obviously, if you're watching, you see there we go. Obviously, you see I got the cases split, the engines. I think as a part as I need it to rebuild it. So the rest will play by ear. Well, obviously, I do have one piston stuck in there, obviously damaged piston, but we'll do our best to get that out. It looks like it got a little crooked on us, so maybe it's just kind of getting cockeyed in there and it's not causing any damage, hopefully. But yeah, a couple things I'm trying to pay attention to here. I know this isn't an instructional video. I feel there's a lot of these out on the internet these days, although it might have been a good idea for me to do a how-to for this one. I don't know if there's many out there for motorbikes. I guess leave in the comments if that's something you'd like to see from me or not. I'm just too lazy to move the GoPro up and back down, so I'm kind of squatting here to get in the camera view. But yeah, just going over a couple things I'm noticing while I'm doing this, and you know, while I try to put things away to store them, while I'm getting the new head set up and getting the cylinders fixed. One thing is I'm making sure to keep the caps with the same rods that they came from. The end pieces here are called caps. These are the rods. They're so tiny and cute. I'm used to car stuff, looking at that stuff, but yeah. You want to keep these together. So I am pulling out all the bearings. I have no intention of reusing bearings. They are a wear item, and it's, in my mind, it's just silly to reuse bearings because they'll just keep wearing as they go. And if you're this far, you might as well replace everything you can at this point. Another thing I noticed is they have these kind of marks on them, as you can see. And then if you go to the other side, there's no marks. That's very important back on installation. And then I'm trying to keep them in order. I am keeping them in order for, you know, this will be cylinder 3. The first one I removed and put over in my little storage area was cylinder 4, cylinder 2, and cylinder 1. I want to keep that order so that they go back in that order, just because with all these wear parts, everything wears and wears together. So matching this wear pattern up with this wear pattern is, you know, a much better idea in my mind, and, you know, a lot of people's mind, because I've been told this many times, the matching, you know, the mismatching wear patterns, because then bad things tend to happen because, you know, wear patterns are missing. So that is that. So yeah, back to separating this stuff. I mean, I guess I really don't need to record it, but I'm gonna anyway. Haha. Enjoy. Hey, all right, everybody. So that's the ZX6R engine completely disassembled. Took time to do a little bit of cleanup while I was away. I guess you could say I was away. I don't know what. Anyway, yeah. So got the cylinder heads. The cylinder heads bend. I don't know what I'm talking about, yo. I don't know what I'm talking about. But no, I got the cylinders ready to go. They are on the table behind me. And so those I'll probably take to Millennium Technologies. I was in communication with them for a while on the heads, but as stated, I purchased a new to me head. I don't know did I say that on here? I don't know if I said that. Well, if I didn't say it on here, I purchased a new to me head, cylinder head. This can get weird. Anyway, so I got the cylinders, the case half, the upper case half, ready to go. I'll probably take hoses off there still on it, but yeah, I got it ready to go. I'll drop it off at Millennium. They do recoding, so I'll have them assess it, make sure everything's still round, make sure everything's good to go, and then repair it. So that's all I have for that. But yeah, also the head I purchased. I don't know why I keep saying ordered. That implies I bought brand new stuff. But yeah, the head I purchased came in last night. And so I guess the thing to do is, a little unboxing with y'all. So let's do it. unwrapped, but I guess that's a good thing, you know, because that means it's protected, and I'm probably out of the shot right now, like a goon. I'm still learning, leave me alone. Ooh, nice and clean, I'll give him that. I don't know if he cleaned it, had it cleaned, or that's just where it is, I believe. Crap. I don't remember the number. It's either 3,000 or 7,000 miles are on this head. So yeah. I guess we'll pop this valve cover off, take a look there, and wrap up this video. All right, yeah, everything looks really clean in here. I feel like it had to have been cleaned at some point, which I'm not upset about. So yeah, you got, all right. All right, everyone, so that's where we're at with the ZX6 currently. I believe that's about where it's gonna sit for a little while. Gonna get some money together. Hope you enjoy this video. I'm gonna try not to point this time, but subscribe, like, comment. You know, I'd love the feedback. As you all can tell, I'm still new at this. I'm still figuring things out. I did get the music off before talking to you this time, so that's pretty cool. Should probably work on keeping my focus on the camera instead of looking all around, because this is us. We're connecting here. We forming this bond. So you're gonna keep coming back and keep watching my videos, and you're gonna make me feel all warm and cozy by giving me all these numbers on my analytics that you like me and stuff or something. I don't know. But yeah, that's where we're at. Ready to move forward. I'm definitely motivated. So these progress will probably come pretty quick, but later, I need an outro. Someone give me an outro. No, I need to get my own outro. It needs to be authentic and original. Peace.